One of the success factors for e-mobility and the further development of it is the confidence that your car actually will charge if you connect it to a charger. This is what we call interoperability, the verification of the communication between the vehicle and the charging station. This is an important element in the testing of charging stations, and we have asked Bert Kreuter to explain more about this.
Interoperability testing, again, that is actually a simple thing, but you can imagine that when an electric vehicle goes to a charging station, it's going to say hello to the charging station. So to say it simply, hello, I'm here. Now we all know that we have different languages. Some people say hello, some people say hi, and if it is not clearly defined what to say when you arrive, then of course you are going to have interoperability problems. So the standard basically clearly defines what the electric vehicle is going to say to the charging station, but even there we have of course different levels of interpretation from the standard, and that's why interoperability testing is so important, essentially to make sure that one electric vehicle is able to communicate or to talk to all the charging stations which might be on the market. Now it's not that simple as only say hi and hello, of course. Information is being exchanged between the electric vehicle and the charging station with regards to charging current, charging voltage, and these are of course important information with regards to the safety during the charging process. So that's why interoperability essentially is very important to take into account, for example, during the design or during the development of a charging station or electric vehicle. When we want to have a high level of interoperability, then of course it is absolutely important not only to test the charging station with regards to conformity with the standard or with regards to interoperability, but the same has also to be done with an electric vehicle. After all, these are the two elements which communicate with each other, and that of course again also involves, depending on what is actually being tested, so when we do end-to-end testing, of course also involves the back office.